What is Chat? Chat is an AI-powered conversational assistant developed by OpenAI. It is designed to understand human language and generate human-like responses in text form. You can talk to Chat almost like you talk to a real person. You can ask questions, request explanations, generate ideas, write stories, create scripts, debug code, translate languages, and much more. What makes Chat special is not just that it gives answers, but that it understands context, follows conversations, and adapts its responses based on how you talk to it. Chat was developed by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research company founded in 2015. OpenAI's mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity, not just a small group of people. Chat itself is based on a family of language models called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Each new version of GPT became more powerful: GPT-2, GPT-3, GPT-3.5, GPT-4, and newer optimized models after that. With each version, Chat became better at reasoning, understanding language, writing longer text, and solving complex problems. Chat is trained on massive amounts of text data from books, articles, websites, and conversations. It doesn't think like a human. Instead, it learns patterns in language. It predicts what word should come next. It understands relationships between ideas. It generates responses that sound natural and logical. When you ask a question, Chat analyzes your words, the context of the conversation, your intent, then it generates the most likely helpful response. This is why Chat can explain complex topics in simple language, continue long conversations, adapt its tone formal, casual, educational, creative. For content creators, Chat is a game changer. You can use it to write full voice-over scripts, create video outlines, generate hooks and introductions, rewrite content in different styles, simplify complex topics for a wider audience, instead of starting from a blank page. ChatGPT gives you a strong starting point, which you can then refine with your own creativity. Let's talk about what Chat does really well. 1. Speed. Chat responds instantly. 2. Adaptability. It can be formal, friendly, simple, or professional. 3. Knowledge breadth. It knows a little about almost everything. 4. Scalability. It can help millions of users at the same time. 5. Learning support. It doesn't judge, doesn't get tired, and can explain things again and again. Despite its power, Chat is not perfect. 1. It can make mistakes. Sometimes it gives incorrect or outdated information. 2. It doesn't truly understand reality. It predicts text. It doesn't have consciousness or awareness. 3. Over-reliance is dangerous. If people stop thinking critically and rely only on AI, creativity and learning can suffer. 4. Ethical concerns. There are concerns about misinformation, plagiarism, and misuse. That's why human judgment is always necessary. A very common question is, will Chat replace humans? The short answer is no, but it will change how humans work. Chat is best seen as a tool, a co-pilot, a digital assistant. Those who learn how to use AI effectively will have a huge advantage over those who don't. In the future, Chat is expected to become more accurate, support more languages, integrate with apps and devices, understand images, audio, and video better, help automate even more workflows. AI assistants like Chat will likely become a normal part of everyday life, just like smartphones and the internet. To conclude, Chat is one of the most important technological tools of our time. It helps people learn faster, work smarter, and create better content. But the real power comes when human creativity and AI intelligence work together. If you learn how to use Chat properly, it won't replace you, it will amplify you.